Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am,
Good morning. Good morning. You can check the answers by the time. All those who are present. By the time everyone is entering, you just see the answers. Utsav, change your name. Utsav, change your name. Yes, good.
Ma'am, it is a period of math or reasoning.
Maths or?
Reasoning.
No, it's maths. Only. I will tell you. I was saying. I will teach you reasoning in a day or two. I will give you reasoning questions afterwards.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Iram. Yes, Iram, I know. What have you done in this break? Check the answers. I am also checking the answers on the WhatsApp and telling you your
Game.
you were playing games, Iram.
Yes, ma'am. I have games.
Ma'am, 15-minute game.
15 minutes game you played, Iram. And who else? Saif played 15 minutes game. And who else has done what? Can tell me.
I have seen video 15 minutes.
Radio? What have you seen, Saif?
Video.
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 Why? What video were you watching, Saif? Beta, do not sit in front of the laptop or screen for the 15 minutes. This I told you before also. Okay. No need to sit on the laptop screen. In front of the laptop screen or the mobile screen in these 15 minutes. Go somewhere, okay? Anywhere you can go. Okay, I cannot see others' videos. Keep your videos on.
Ma'am, in this 15 minutes, I play with my sister.
Okay. Pakadam Pakadai, where is your sister?
Ma'am, I'm in bedroom.
In bedroom. Okay. She is not studying?
Ma'am, she studies.
She is also having break. What others are doing? What rest of you are doing?
Ma'am, I brushed my teeth.
You brushed your teeth. You were not because you did not woke up on time at 8 a.m. class, right, Varun?
Ma'am, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Why do you wake up late?
Wake up at... Ma'am?
Saif, wait, Saif. Varun, you woke up late?
Yes.
Why? You don't know the timings of the class? You have to wake up at least 7 a.m. Okay, you're now not in a habit of going to school. You remember when you go to school, you wake up at which time? When you come to school?
I'm 5:30.
5:30, 6:30, 6 o'clock. Okay, like this you come to school. Now the habit is changed. How will you come to school then?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I wake up at 6 o'clock. My mother and we go walk for 3 kilometers.
Varun, how will you come to school then? And who else woke up late? That's why I want to see the faces. That's why Varun has done the previous work. Not
Lazy student. Ma'am, I am not a lazy student. Ma'am, I am not a lazy student because on Sunday I wake up 5 o'clock.
On Sunday you wake up 5 o'clock. Okay, very good. Even on start question number F. Question number F. Okay, question F is which I don't fill in the blanks are there. Sorry. In question F, we have fill in the blanks. Okay, so I think you can do the fill in the blanks in the book itself. Take out your maths book. In book itself, you can do the fill in the blanks, but it should be done. Where is my blue pen? So you can take out your maths books. And question F, you can do in the book itself. No need of notebook.
Ma'am, which page number we have to open?
Abhi wait, Iram. I'm telling. Just wait for a second. So page number beta, wait, page number 67 you have to take out. Page number 67.
Ma'am, I have taken out.
In the book itself, you can do this question. No need of notebook. Okay. Question F is a number that is divisible by, I hope everyone is having maths book on their tables as well as a pencil, and page number 67. Page number 67. Yes. Yes, Dev.
When my father's phone battery is getting down, I am connecting with my mother's phone. Can you take me in?
Yes, obviously you are allowed. You are allowed. All of them, all of you are allowed.
Okay, ma'am, I am leaving.
Okay, a number that is divisible by 2 and by 3. A number which is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Which number is that one? Tell me.
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am is not 6. Ma'am is not 6. Okay, what is that number? 6. A number which is divisible by 2, a number which is divisible by 3, it is also divisible by 6. Now question number 2 here. Okay. Numbers that end in dash and dash are divisible by 5.
Ma'am, 5 and
0.
0. Ma'am, 5 and 0.
0 and
5 and 0.
0, and second one you can 5 and 0 also, and 0 or 5, both are correct. First blank 5, second blank 0. Now question number 3. If the digits of the number add up to give a sum that is divisible by 3, then 3 is a factor of the number. If the digits add up to give a sum that is divisible by dash, then 3 is a factor of the number.
3.
3. If it is divisible by 3, then it is a factor of 3. If it is not divisible by 3, it is very well done. Very good. Fourth one. Can somebody, now I will ask someone to read the question number 4. Anshuman, read question number 4. Anshuman, read question 4. Quick. Be quick, Anshuman. Anshuman, are you listening to me? Please switch on your mic and read question number 4. I think he is not listening. Okay. Jayesh, beta, read the question number 4. Jayesh, read question 4.
Dash are the numbers we multiply in order to get a product.
So what are the numbers that we multiply in order to get a product? Multiple.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Dev, please see the recording. Please do not interrupt in between like this. Please see the recording, Dev. Please don't interrupt the previous sessions because they all will get disturbed. Please see the recording next time for the answers. Again, multiples. Multiples are the numbers that we multiply in order to get a product. Now I'm going to show you the question number 5. Okay. Kushagra, read question 5.
Okay, ma'am. In the division, the dash and dash are both factors of the dividend if there is no remainder.
Tell me. Huh?
Quotient and divisor.
Quotient and divisor.
Quotient and divisor. Yes. See what they are saying in the question. Suppose I asked you to find out the factors of 24. Okay, listen, understand this question, what they are saying. A little bit tough question is it. Question number 5, they are saying in division. This is division. Okay. The dash and dash are both factors of the dividend. If I ask you to find out the factors of the dividend, dividend is, if I ask you to find out the factors of 24. So 24 is what? This number is always what? Dividend. What is this number? Dividend. Okay. And I did it like this. 2 12s are 24, 0, 0. So this is also the factor of this number. And this is also the factor of this number. Like this we have done now. Like this we have done. 2 is divisible by 24. So we have taken out at what time 24 is going in the table of 2. So you just taken out 2 12s are 24. So this is also the factor of 24. Dividend is here 24. And this is also the factor. So what is this known as? What is this? Quotient, remainder.
divisor.
What is it?
Ma'am,
Quotient,
divisor.
remainder. What is it?
Divisor.
This is
Divisor.
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 Very good. This is divisor. And
Divisors.
and what is this always?
Ma'am,
Quotient,
question.
remainder.
A quotient.
Ma'am,
This
A
is
quotient.
quotient. So the answer will be quotient and divisor. I'm going to wrap this. So the what is the answer here? Quotient and divisor are the factors of the dividend. Quotient and divisor are the factors of dividend. So write the fifth one, quotient. Spelling of quotient should be correct. Quotient and divisor.
Ma'am, I have written all.
Good, very good. Everybody note it down quickly. Okay. So we are going take out your now mental maths notebook. Prime and composite number, we will read it tomorrow. What are the prime and composite number? Then we'll proceed to HCF after that. And we'll finish the chapter up. Then we will start the fractions. Okay. So let us start next chapter. Take out a mental maths notebook, everyone. I'm going to give you a little bit tough questions now. Wait for a minute. Wait, I'm going to teach you one method that is prime. Prime factorization I'll teach you afterwards. Okay. I'm going to rub this and I'm going to start the mental maths notebook. Mental maths notebook you have to take out. Put down the date of today's. Start from a new page. Okay, write down question number 1. Beta, here I'm going to give you freedom the way you want to write in mental maths notebook, the way you can write it, but it should be neat and clean. Okay? You want to use your own method, you can use your own method. You want to use any shortcut method, you can use a shortcut method. In mental maths, not in maths.
And what is the heading?
Which of the numbers are divisible by 9? Just write multiples and factors. Quickly do them. These are 3 questions you have to
And
do.
we can write direct answer, or we have to show solution also.
I am saying that you have this full freedom how to do this type of questions.
Ma'am, this
But
is
beta,
9
if
or
wait, Aram, let me speak. 9, 9, 8, 9. Obviously, you will do the sum addition. If it is this number 1011 is 3. You can do it like this itself. But here you have to do 9, 9, 8, 9. Like this you have to do. Okay. So it needs to be written. So write it. And it is not needed. So don't write it. It's all up to you.
Ma'am?
Hi, Ram.
Ma'am, we have, ma'am, in the upper side there is written 6 or 9.
Where this?
Ma'am, which of the numbers are divisible by 9 or 6?
9. Do it quickly. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? You have to do these 3. Then which is the factor of every number? Write the answer at the end. Write all factors of 30. You have to find out all the factors of 30. One more question I'm giving. 4th one. And better change it. This is not, let it not be 30. Let it be 84. Write all the factors of 84. A little bit tough for you all. And if this period gets over, you have to show me the next period. Be quick. If you want to use any shortcut method, you can use it. First one is wrong because we don't have to check the last digit. In this we have to add the digits 9, 9, 8, 9. So 9, 9, 9, 27 plus 8 is equals to 35. 35 is not divisible by 9, so this is not divisible. You can just put the like this. Yes, Utsav, what happened? Now 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Oh, sorry, 27. 27 is divisible by 9. Yes or no? Dave, the way you have done that is wrong. You don't have to check the last digit. In 9, we don't check the last digit. And this one is 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. 5, 11, 4, 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Yes. Okay. Okay. What is the factor of every number? What is the factor of every number? Tell me. Dash is a factor of every number.
Ma'am, I have done.
1. Very good. Because 1 or 0? It will be 1. See the answers of this one. 84 by the time.
And it's 1.
So factors of 84, all these are factors of 84. See, it all are compulsory to write down. Fifth multiple of 8 means 5 multiplied by 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 is the answer. Fifth multiple of 8 means 8 5s are 40 or 5 8s are 40.
Yes, ma'am.
All the multiples of all the factors of 84. Check it, everyone. Check all the